Alrighty, today we're here at R&S Power Sports on Lomas in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Mr. Manuel here has just purchased a 2020 Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo RRX-RC, the rock crawling model. He's requested that we video the unboxing for him, and then we're gonna kind of take you along with us as we pull it out of the box and get it prepped, and then when he takes it home. If you guys have any questions about this unboxing process, feel free to drop a comment below. And then if you want to see more videos like this, more product reviews, unboxing, stuff like that, hit the subscribe button. We'll definitely be happy to have you guys along to watch the videos.
Boys that know what they're doing.
I should hope so. I built enough.
No, I can tell. You know exactly what you need to do to get it off there. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Sweet. Yeet.
Oh. It's good. It looks real good. It looks real good. This is what I like. This is what I wanted to see. Still wrapped. Still wrapped, ready to unwrap. Should be good.
Be awesome. And as soon as we get that mat out of the way, we'll go to the stand side.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not in a hurry. I don't care. As long as it's before 5:30 tonight when it gets dark.
Yeah.
So Red, you want to walk me through the next steps?
Huh?
You want to walk me through what the next steps are?
Next step is all these little green straps. Well, first we'll bring it inside, and then we'll bust the little green straps loose. Loosen the compression straps on the four corners. They're holding the shocks down. Inflate the tires. Take everything out of the crate. Take this off. Install the center section of the cage support, which is right here. These are door kits. They go on the bottom of the doors. And I suspect that the box right here is the covers for the pillars.
Sweet. Alrighty guys, we're back out here at R&S. Right now we're taking the X3 through the PDI process. They're doing a last minute check, having a certified BRP technician look through it, make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight, make sure everything's updated, and then we'll get it out here to Mr. Velasquez. Alrighty guys, we got ourselves another satisfied customer, all loaded up here and ready to go. Thank you for shopping with R&S Power Sports. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching.